So tired. The pass killed me. I can't go any faster than this. But in about 13 kilometers I should get to Sondrio, and then I'll decide either finding a place where I can spend the night or just push through another hour. It's raining, so now I'll keep going on this road. It should take me into the city of Sondrio, and hopefully I'll find somewhere to stay on the way with a roof. Good morning from Sondrio. I just left my host house for the night. It's rainy clearly, as you can see, and I was lucky last night. My host for the night is going to Bormio, the next town over, to stay with his girlfriend tonight, and he's gonna host me there because even his girlfriend has a spare room and she's a couch surfing host. So I have about 65, maximum 70 kilometers under the rain. It's heavy rain, and it stops, and it's like this. It's raining but not too much, and then it starts raining heavy again. In Bormio I will spend the night, and then the following day I will try to head up to Passo dello Stelvio. At least there is a bike lane till Bormio, Sentiero Valtellina, and I should not bother with the traffic of the main road. Stopped raining, and we have a surprise. Look at these guys, very sexy. Where are you guys from?
Montpellier, France.
France, nice. They are going to Stelvio tomorrow. Maybe we get up together. Of course we stop for lunch and it starts raining, but there is a bridge, and the guys are under the bridge like the true hobos. It's a new day in Bormio, and I have a companion for the Stelvio, because it's gonna be a shitty day. It's gonna rain, it's gonna snow, hopefully not, but at least I have someone to swear at and complain, bitch and complain. He was a long time follower of mine. Are you ready for Stelvio?
I'm ready. I'm excited because I know that it will be really tough, but we'll see.
That's the spirit. Let's go. The climb has started. 21 kilometers to go. We are about 17 kilometers to the summit. It's the first bit that flattens a bit. It's quite windy, and the wind is pretty cold. Stefano already put his windbreaker on because he got cold. I'm actually okay. It is a bit chilly, especially if you stop, but I'm also sweating going up. So we have about 1400 meters of elevation gain to get to the top. It's a long climb, but it's maximum around 10% steepness, so it's not too bad. It's just that when you get to 2000 meters, then you will get a bit cold, a little bit less oxygen, and in a few hours it might start to rain. So let's see what happens. Look at this. 16 and 300, 16 kilometers and 300 meters to the top. Ale, ah, quella moto. Quella lì non è una bici, è una moto, cazzo. Ehi. Ciao. These guys are cheating. That's not a bike. That's a motorbike. Cheaters, cheaters. Did you see that woman? A fucking Ducati. Hai visto quella?
Sì, l'ho visto.
Figa, missile, cazzo.
La bici elettrica ho contemplato di...
Quella lì, la bici l'ha comprata da Elon Musk.
Ho contemplato di acquistarla per mio padre che ha 60 anni. Per lui può avere un senso.
Quella lì dallo Stelvio parte e va su Marte direttamente. Poi ti dicono che fanno anche fatica, cazzo. Poi quello che mi fa ridere è quando ti dicono: ah, ma tu c'hai la muscolare. Muscolare, è una bici, porca puttana. Muscolare. Cioè, sta cosa qua del muscolare è proprio ridicola. Una bici. Harpin 36, 1586 of elevation. Let's document all the Harpin. Harpin 35, 1597. 15 kilometers and 300 meters to go. Still going strong. What a shame, they're going faster than me. Harpin 34, 1654. Number 33, 1665. Harpin 32, 1745. 31, 1754. Number 30, 1761. 29. Someone robbed the signpost. Some tourists. Those are the famous Harpins that you see in the pictures. It's still some way to go, but at least it's still sunny and dry. 28 is also missing. Fucking tourists. Number 26, 2004 meters. Number 25, 2011. 4, 2036. Number 23, 2042. Number 20, 2083. We start to see the Harpins from the top. A few ones. Still many to go. 19, 2101. That's the Harpin Sagan. I'm sure Sagan is climbing Stelvio, doing a wheelie. I got number 18, 21, 23. Number 17, 21, 47. Number 16, 21, 74. This is number 15, 21, 93. traffic jam. McLaren, Ferrari. Mountain water, pure. Acqua di montagna, il gusto ci guadagna. 4 kilometers to go. I'm starting to be a bit tired. Not sure you can see the pass where there are those buildings, the white building. That's the pass. You can see the gondolas going up to the glacier, and yeah, 4 kilometers. Another hour and a bit of climbing. It was raining a bit, so I digged out my rain gear. If nothing else, it's getting a bit of air, maybe drying a bit. There was a very dark cloud, but it moved. Now it cleared up, but in a few minutes it can change, you know. If we could get to the top without major rain, that would be nice. Number 14, 24, 47.
Respect.
Ciao. Number 13, 24, 59. Number 12, 24, 76. Here we are at the border with Switzerland. Number 11, 24, 87. The pink building is the custom. It's the border between Switzerland and Italy. And now we're going up. I had to stop to eat something because the red light went on. Number 10, 25, 36. Number 9, 25, 41. Number 8, 25, 87. Number 7, 26, 15. Number 6, 26 to 34. Number 4, 26, 69. 500 meters. 500 meters to go. Number 2, 26, 89. Passo dello Stelvio, 27, 58. This seems fake. I think the real pass is up there. Right, let's take some pictures here. Number 1, 27, double O, no, yes, 27, 2700.
Dai cazzo!
Ultimo. Now we're up. The last 200-300 meters. Here you can ski. There is the gondolas that takes you to the glacier. Summer skiing. Day 4, second pass in the bag. Passo dello Stelvio, 27:58.
Senti che buon odorino.
High five.
Aspetta. Aspetta. Vai. Grande, dai.
Fair play to you. Jesus Christ. Could I get more touristy? Meanwhile, it got a bit shitty the weather, but we covered up and now we have 30 kilometers descent. 30?
Down here. 30. 34. Yes.
Let's go, guys.